welcome back to brand new upload. And I just found out Red Hacker just got hacked by Team Hacker. Guys, I just found out Red Hacker got hacked by Team Hacker. He said he got hacked and we need to save him. But the only way to save him, ladies and gentlemen, it is in our hands to save Red Mask, and his files gonna get hacked. We cannot let Team Hacker get files, and they cannot let Team Hacker get those files, or they will be hacked. So the only way to do it, make sure you subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to this channel. If you are not subscribed, probably you do not have 0.0 chances of getting back Red Hack sensitive files. So you gotta be extremely careful. So guys, that's why we have to do something extremely bad, guys. See this right here? This is a obby. I think one of those OBs. I think OB, because am I saying this card type? See, this is an OB's card. I think I'm saying this is an OB's card. But Red Hacker say let's do this challenge. We must complete this challenge. We must draw this card using paper, guys. This is blank, no lines, paper, guys. So we will have to draw this card. We gotta draw the wheel, we gotta draw this. We gotta draw this card in the exact type, guys. So guys, you gotta make sure we do this, guys. So I'm gonna get the markers and let's prepare and let's do it. I gotta go into the Team Hackers headquarters. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back with the Crayola markers. I'm back with it, guys. This video is also sponsored by Crayola. Go check out their markers. I'll link the I will link their website link. But anyway, guys. I have this coloring book right here. There's Avengers. It's Avengers coloring book. I'm gonna put the paper on it. We have something to write on. Flip it over. But now we have something to write on, guys. So finally, guys, we have something to write on. So now we gotta draw this card in our drawing edition. So let's do it, guys. This card is gray. So this is gray. So we gotta do this, guys. I think. So what I'm gonna do, guys. What am I gonna do, guys? I am no, it made sense. Wait. Okay, I'm figuring out how to draw this, guys. Okay, hold on, guys, one moment. Let's do it, guys. I got the gray. Let's do it. Guys, so here's what we got so far. It is, I don't like it, but so let's just fix up the holes in here. So here's how it look like for the outline. But now, the hardest part. We gotta draw the wheel. I don't know how I'm gonna do this exactly. Yep, guys. These wheels are supposed to be. I made the wheels sideways, and these wheels are not the same size. So let me fix that. See if I can fix it right now. See, I can fix that. And guys, how is your day going? Make sure you leave it in the comments below. So I think I did it very good. Now time to add the features. Guys. So I think I'm gonna start with the back right here. The back. So you know it's a window right here, and there's stuff in it. So I'm gonna draw the. I'm gonna draw the stuff first. The engine. So I think I drew it good. Guys, do you think I tried to get a little thumbs up? I don't think I did, guys. I think I'm gonna lose this challenge. Yep. So guys, I'm not sure if I can do this, but I'm gonna try to draw the door. Okay, I'm ready. Door. For the other one. So this is still looking ugly. I'm drawing the door handles. So now it's time to draw the easiest part, which is that. Here's my final design. It's so ugly, guys. But anyway, guys, at least I did it. And I'm not sure if I fully did it. So I think I did it, guys. Give a big thumbs up if you think I did it. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. But as always, don't forget to subscribe. Wait. I think my phone is ringing. Guys. Is my phone ringing? Hello? Wait, guys. So some person told me to press. Some person sent me an email. Let me go to that email. Guys, somebody tell me to press this button. If I press this button, something is gonna happen. Should I press this button? Yes, a big thumbs up. If you think I should press this button, okay, I'm gonna press it in 3, 2, 1.